Here comes the sun, little darling. Here comes the sun right now. It's alright. The sun is back. It's hot, hot, hot. 22 degrees on the west coast of Okanagan Lake on this Thursday, throwback Thursday, whatever kind of Thursday you want. It's Thursday, and it is, we got birds flying around Thursday. They are doing their job. Anyways, like I said, it's 22 degrees out here. It is 22 in Grand Prairie. We're going to have matching temperatures. It's supposed to be 24 in both places, so let's see what happens. Hopefully they're having great weather up there. They had some rainstorms, as we did, and now the sun is blessing us. I don't know if you can see that old car. I think it's a Rabbit Volkswagen. Anyways, the sun is blessing us with sunshine. Thank you, Mother Nature. Oh, can't do that. Anyways, let's see what's happening on the deck.
Hey, there I am. If you like these videos, like, share, and subscribe. We're doing pretty good. We're almost getting to 1 million subscribers. Oh, look at the scratch. Hang on. Oh, sorry. Kind of itchy. Yeah. We're on our way to 1 million subscribers. My rent's getting cheaper. I might have to go take a bath in the river bath. Anyways, take off, eh?
Well, thank you, Mr. Bird, for your kind words. And as you can see, it is a beautiful sunny day. It's a little breezy. Last night, in garbage detail, it was it's beautiful. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Any weather updates, we'll update. And beautiful blue sky. Okanagan sunshine, as they say. Any last words, Mr. Bird, parting?
Yeah, when do I get my residuals?
There's Mrs. Bird.
Hey, yeah. Oh, I got some feathers for my nest. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, bye-bye.
As always, peace out.